All right, guys. Question number 14. We have one passage left. Question type is multiple choice. And questions and answers are in order. Let's read the question. Question number 14. By the way, questions 14 to 16, they are in order. We are doing Cambridge IELTS book number 16, test number 2. Questions 14 to 16, they are in order. Questions 17 to 20, they are also in order. And 21 to 26, again they are in order. देखना नहर पे ना चला जाए और कल अखबार में आ जाइए एग्जैक्टली मैं नहीं आइल्स करना. Okay, all right. Yeah, that's why people look for number 2 of IELTS. You know, it's very simple now to take IELTS test and to get your desired band. Very, very easy. You take any IELTS certificate, you Photoshop it, write your desired band, 9 or even 9.5 you can write. Okay, and then that's it. But only one problem with that certificate. It will not be acceptable anywhere, okay? All right, question number 14. What point does the writer make about microbes in the first paragraph? Microbes, first paragraph, and writer makes a point about it. Let's go back. I'm reading it from the beginning. Microbes, most of them bacteria. So we understand now, microbes are bacteria. Microbes, most of them bacteria, have populated this planet since long before animal life developed, and they will outlive us. It means microbes lived before us and they will live after us. Let's go back. Option A. They adapt quickly to their environment. No. Option B, risk they pose has been exaggerated. No. C, they are more plentiful in animal life than plant life. No. They will continue to exist for longer than the human race. Continue to exist. What is the word for that? Yeah, and they will outlive us. Us means human. If you are human, then us means human. Otherwise, it depends, okay? Zebras or whatever, it depends. So for question number 14, correct answer is D. Let's go on. Question number 15. In the second paragraph, how good they are telling us. They should say, in the second paragraph, third line. Yeah. Exactly. There should be something like this. In the second paragraph, the writer is impressed by the fact that, now listen, writer is impressed. There will be some facts, and writer will not be impressed. But there will be a fact, and writer will be impressed by that fact. And for that impressive factor, they might exaggerate with number. Gigantic, huge, unbelievable, like that. So let's go to second paragraph. Third line, what is amazing? Got it? Now what is amazing means writer is impressed. Now let's read it. What is amazing is that while the number of human cells in the average person is about 30 trillion, the number of microbial ones is higher, about 39 trillion. So it means microbes are more than the number of cells in human, and this is amazing. Let's come back. Option A. Each species tends to have vastly different microbes. No. Option B, some parts of the body contain relatively few microbes. No. Option C, average individual has more microbial cells than human ones. And ones means human cells. Okay, now it's not the cell, remote ka cell khatam ho gaya. It's not that cell, it's a cell in human body. So the correct answer is C. And when you find the correct answer and you are sure about it, then you don't need to read the next point. Question number 16. What is the writer doing in the fifth paragraph? Dancing. Fifth paragraph. What is writer doing? Means some action of the writer. Which paragraph? Fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's see. For most of humanity, now you need skim reading. For most of humanity, we had no idea that microbes existed. The first man to see. Now, what is he doing? He is telling us about how we started searching, or giving us the background, how we came to know about microbes. Let's read it. He says, the first man to see these extraordinarily potent creatures was Dutch lens maker called Anthony Van and all that. What is he doing? He is telling us the person who discovered microbes for the first time. Please come back. Option A, explaining how a discovery was made. Lens maker, and he did that. Option B, comparing scientists' theories about microbes. No. Describing confusion among scientists. No. Giving details of how microbes cause disease. No. It's option A. Yeah, I can see the faces you are making, looking at me. और कुछ लोग मुझे गुस्से से देख रहे हो. भाई, IELTS आप लोगों ने करना है. Yeah, it's not that गुस्सा मुझ पे नहीं का. Reading difficult है तो मुझे ऐसे देख रहे हैं. Relax, calm down. All right.